Hello everyone. Today, let me share with you how to use your mobile phone for online meetings or video conference. You can use this online skill for the purpose of meeting with your client, wherein you have the opportunity to present to him whatever information you have there on your phone, as if you are meeting face to face. One ideal platform to do this is Google Meet. Why? It's because you don't need to require your client to download anything. There are clients or guests who are afraid to download something on their device. And there are also those who are not in the habit of downloading anything. With Google Meet, your guest will just click the link, and that's it. You both can see each other and talk to each other like face to face. And you don't even need to download the application yourself, even if you are the host. All you need is a Google account, such as Gmail. And your guest should also have his own Gmail account. If he doesn't have, you need to advise him to open a Gmail account. Anyway, it's free. Just type Gmail in the browser, and you can already register with your name, and then you can have a username and password. Okay, assuming you both have a Gmail account, you will then open this icon, Meet, this one. Okay, so this is actually my cell phone, and I will have to open my Gmail account. Okay, so I open it up. Down below, you can see an icon called Meet. Click this, and then there you can see New Meeting and join with a code. Click New Meeting. Okay. It's best that you start an instant meeting for the purpose of this demonstration. Anyway, it's the same when you get a meeting link to share or start an instant meeting, because you will be provided with a link anyway. Okay. Click Instant Meeting. You can change the virtual background of your device. The virtual background, you have a choice here of a lot of options. You can choose this one, or you can choose books, and it's up to you what to choose. But I think I just have to choose this one. No? Okay, this one, assuming that I'll choose this one. This is my virtual background. What's nice about Google Meet, aside from no need to download the application, is that you and your guest can have the option of a virtual background. This is for those who are conscious about their actual appearance of their background. Okay, and the best thing that you can do with Google Meet is the ability to share your files. Whatever you have there in your device, such as image, video, PowerPoint, Excel, or anything. All of this can be shown to your guests. Just click this icon, share, this one, share screen, and start sharing. Okay, start now. And you are now sharing your screen. All right, so this is now the screen that I am sharing. Okay, for example, I shared screen, start sharing, start now, and I'm already sharing my screen. With Google Meet, you can have as many as 100 guests in one meeting. And this is absolutely free. But in this presentation, you can only see myself because this is just for demo purposes, which I invited only myself. You can click on these three dots right here, and you can further click the settings here to adjust audio as well as the video for your options. You can also click share screen right here, that one. If you want to share what you have there in your device, when you click share, all of your guests will see what you share. They can no longer see your face, but the one you are sharing will be the one that can be seen. You can share your PowerPoint if you are explaining something, or images, or videos, maps, or whatever you have there in your device. When you are finished and you want to stop sharing, just click the icon application Google Meet and then stop sharing. For some other features of Google Meet, you can just explore by just clicking some clickable links. I'm sure you will find something useful for you in using Google Meet for your online meetings. Though we cannot further demonstrate the actual meeting with audio because the audio will produce feedback as the gadgets are just near each other. There you have it. I have shared with you how to use Google Meet for online meetings. I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.